Hello, it's April 17th, and the bird of the day today is the brown creeper. This little guy here likes creeping on trees and eating insects. They're also very well camouflaged, so they're hard to see, but if you keep looking at sort of the upper parts of trees on the trunks in forests, you might see one. The brown creeper, Certhia americana. Uncommon in mature woods, particularly in swampy areas where it creeps on trunks and large limbs. Usually solitary, but often mixes with flocks of other small songbirds such as kinglets and chickadees. Feeds on insects and spiders gleaned from bark. Creeping habits, cryptic brown pattern and white throat distinctive. Voice, sawing a very high, thin series of accelerating and cascading notes. See-oo, see-dee-dee-do, see-dee-doo. Call, a very high, thin sree, similar to golden-crowned kinglet, but single and with relaxed liquid quality. The creeper, creeping on a tree near you.